Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mama's Gari Channel, a faith healer o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon, natatigan natin nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is Salubong Pasilip 2025 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sampung support sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me your information po. Ano kayo gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? Paano natin bubulabugin ang pagkataon ngayong 2025? So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me your information po. Okay, there is something, a Page of Pentacle, investment, manifestation. So may mga bagay na maaaring hiniling mo sa ating mga tala na maaaring maisakatuparan na kung ano man yung mga bagay na kagustuhan mo. There's an offer, no, fulfillment talaga. No, parang unti-unti nang darating yung mga plano or kagustuhan mo, unti-unti mo na siya manifest, no? Matutupad, gano'n. There's something, a 3 of Wands. See, waiting for a ship. No? Kung ito na yung resulta ng hinihintay mo, darating na. There's a travel, guys. There's a lot of adventure. And the Page of Wands, something, a good news. May magandang balita na. There's something, a messages, phone call, email. And there's a lot of transaction there. At the same time, there's the Queen of Swords. I'll give a bigger picture. Now, there is something, a both side of situation. Na kailangan tignan mo yung sarili mo or yung eksena mo with the both side of situation. Hindi pwedeng one-sided lang. This is something, a bigger picture and of course, ambitions na unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities. Additional messages. So, this is something, the Moon card for truth reveal. See, malalantad na kung ano man yung mga bagay na dapat ay malaman mo na. Unti-unti mo matutuklas at unti-unti mo nang matutunghayan, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinangaharap mo lang, ito abot kamay mo na. Additional messages. And because this is something that Queen of Pentacles just being practicality, no? Kailangan maging practical. Alam mo guys, lagi ako nakakakita ng stars. So, may star talaga na maaaring mag-shine. There's a star dito na maaaring nire-represent with something and hope and miracles, no? What is the Page of Pentacles? Represent the Knight of Cups with an offer. Oh, there's something, an offer, proposal. Or either there's something devoted for the person, guys, no? There's something, enjoy your life from the fullest, no? The more na nag-enjoy ka, the more na mag-manifest mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na kagustuhan mo, no? Let's see what is the Three of Wands. Kumbaga, kapag in love ka daw, the more daw na in love ka, the more na nagsasuccess ka. There's a 3 of Wands. Represent the Full card. For a leap of faith, magtiwala ka, no? There's a process and progress, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na darating, no? Kung para talaga tong bagay o opportunity para sa'yo talaga. Kaya sinasabi, there's a something result, no? Ito na hinihintay mo resulta. Dahil sa pagtitiwala at pananampalataya mo, ito na ibibigay niya na. There's a Page of Wands. Represent what? What is the clarification with the Page of Wands? Represent the Four of Cups. There's a evaluate or analyze. So, may magandang balita. There's a something information, no? Kailangan pag-iisipan mabuti. Hindi pwedeng ura-urada. Hindi pwedeng pala desisyon. Lahat ng mga bagay na malalaman mo, there's a something good side and bad sides. Kailangan lagi mong pakakatandaan kung ano man yung opportunity na ibinabato o binibigay sa'yo. Lagi mo titignan yung mga disadvantage, no? So, let's see what is the Queen of Swords. Represent what? So, this is the Three of Swords. So, there's something painful, guys. Kumbaga, unti-unti mo na makikita ko naman yung mga hinaing or galit, no, ng mga tao sa paligid mo. May inggit. May ngit-ngit. Kaya, unti-unti mo na masisilayan kung ano man yung mga bagay na nasa paligid mo. So, let's see what is the Moon card. Represent what? There's an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking finances, bubulabog sa'yo dito. Na magtutupad talaga sa pangarap mo. This is something, a dream coming true. And a truth reveal, may maaring ipakita na sa'yo kung anong katotohanan sa likod ng mga offer mo. No, there's an offer, a big shot. Well, let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles. So, represent the Ten of Wands. So, something, lot of obligation, responsibilities, no? Kailangan maging practical kapag dating sa finances. Matuto ka na, no? Para hindi ka mapaikot-ikot, no? Or kumbaga, paikutin ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kailangan maging practical ka. So, let's see what is the Page of Pentacles. And it is the King of Cups. Represent the Two of Wands, choices, no? Kumbaga, piliin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong matupad talaga, no? Kumbaga, there is something full support ng iyong guardian angels or something gabay or either assessor guides, no? May gumagabay sa'yo dito, kaya piliin mo yung alam mong pangmatagalan, no? Kaya kailangan mag-isip ka na itong opportunity or itong offer na to or something, itong bagay ba na to ay magbibigay sa'yo ng mas malawak pang kaalaman, mas malawak pang opportunities, at the same time, yung para magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion, ganon. So, let's see what is the Three of Wands, because the Full card. Represent the Temperance. O, kumbaga maging kalmado, no? Para patataasin yung tension dito. Dahil, kumbaga nayayamot ka na parang nabubulyo ka na ang tagal-tagal. So, this is something opportunity na maaaring ito na hinihintay mo. No? Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, nasa tamang pagkakataon, nasa tamang panahon na para ibahagi na sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Page of Wands and the Four of Cups. Reference to the Page of Cups, something in the intuition. So, mataas ang visions and of course ang iyong kumbaga vibrations, no? Mataas ang iyong intuitions dito na lahat ng mga bagay na ihahain sa'yo, mayroon kang gut feeling, no? Kumbaga malakas yung mo dito, pakiramdam, no? Marunong ka mag-analyze and visualize. It's good. Lahat ng mga offer na to, this is something, a new offer, a new beginning coming in for you, pero kailangan mong pag-iisipan mabuti. So, let's see what is the Queen of Swords and the Three of Swords. No, kasi may mga bagay dito na unti-unti mo na makikita yung mga kabiguan, kung bakit ka nabibigo, bakit ka nagkakamali. Yun yung unti-unti mo na matututunan. So, this is something the Six of Cups. Fast. Sabi ko na nga ba yung mga nangyari sa nakaraang kabiguan. There's a lot of insecure than with other person, with your friends, relatives, no? And there's something close by the mutual friends then, na maaaring insecure sa'yo. There's an evil eye ako na sense, no? So, let's see what is the mood card because the Ace of Pentacles. Represent the Word card. Oh, there's a lot of trouble, guys. Trouble. And because may mga, oh my God, there's something opportunity talaga na may trouble ka talaga with the international, no? There's a big opportunity and big money. Ibig sabihin makakapagtrabaho ka sa ibang bansa or either may opportunity ka makapunta ng ibang bansa. Oh, wow. Let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles and because the Ten of Wands. Represent the Justice card. Oh, sige ko naman yung mga bagay na nagsilbing obligasyon o responsibilidad mo. Kung ito ay mga bagay na nakabuti sa'yo at nakabuti rin sa mga tao sa paligid mo at nakatulong ka, there is something bounce back, no? Ibabalik sa'yo kung ano man yung mga bagay na binigay mo in a good way, no? Kung naging mabuti ka, magiging mabuti rin ang kapalaran sa'yo. It's good. Ibig sabihin dito, consequences for a good karma. So, let's see what is the outcome. For the outcome is the something, Six of Pentacles. So, this is something giving, receiving something by the universe, no? Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa pera sa'yo. There's a financial windfall ako na sense. No? And of course, this is something high fight. A lesson learned. Matuto ka na kung paano mo i-manage, kung kontrolin yung finances. No? There's a lot of lesson ako na sense dito, guys. Marami kang pinagdaanan pagdating sa pera. Nabudol, naloko, and there's a Four of Wands something celebration. Unti-unti na magse-celebrate. Now, there's a lot of celebration here, and there's a homecoming, family gatherings. So, let's see guys, no, what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa finances and career. So, this is a judgment for a wake of call, no? This is the moment for a partnership, no, sa inyong dalawa, na para mamulat ka na kailangan na makipag-ugnayan o makipagtulungan ka with your partner. Ganon. Hindi yung, nakikipagtulungan ka sa gastos. Kailangan makipagtulungan ka para kumita. And this is something that circles with the happiness. Oh, taray ha. Kumbaga combination ng career and finances nyo with your love life. No? Maligaya at masaya ang iyong buhay pagdating sa pagkakapera ngayong 2025. Ang ganda. So, let's see. Pagdating sa love life, anong chika sa'yo ng ating gabay? There is a Two of Pentacles, just being balanced, guys, no? Maging balance pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig. And this is something that card, the transformation. Ang laki pinagbago ng inyong relasyon, ha? In fairness. So, this is something, transformation na nangyari sa inyong dalawa, no? Kumbaga, ang laki ng binago nyo sa isa't isa at malaki ng binago ng bawat isa sa inyo. Ganon. And this is something the Emperor. O, see, maturity. Nag-mature kayo together. No, paano minold kayo ng mga karanasan, sacrifices, obligations, a lot of experiences. Additional messages tayo pagdating sa health. Pagdating sa health, there's an Empress card for a revert. Wow! So, maaaring magkaroon ka, there's a second life ako na sense, guys. May pangalawang buhay, and this is something a blessing pagdating sa health mo. Magiging maganda ng kalusugan mo, and this is something the Knight of Swords with the success driven. Magtutuloy-tuloy na yung ganda ng pakiramdam mo. No? Kung magiging maganda na rin ang pakiramdam at kalusugan mo. It's good. Additional messages with a yin and yang oracle card. Ang ganda, walang devil na lumabas for 2025. It's good. Yan na rin yung oracle card represent what? A feminine. Oh, this is something a feminine, guys. Mag-ingat ka ha, may babae nagbabalat kayo dito, no? And this is something freaking, no? Mag-ingat ka talaga, may impostor. No, may babae dito papaniwalain ka sa gatong eksena. Oh, mag-ingat ka. A transformation, no? Malaki na ang pinagbago mo, kaya hindi ka na basta-basta nagpapauto, basta-basta nagpapabudol, no? And there's a lack and doubt. Alisin mo yung pag-aalinlangan na, because parang, kumaga yung pag-aalinlangan, of course, yung pagdadalawang isip, alisin mo yan. So, let's see what is additional messages with a magical fairy messages. Represent what? Magical fairy messages represent a marriage. Oy, taray, there's a higher level of commitment here. Now, some of you guys kasal na, or some of you maaaring mag-asawa na, partner na. Oh, wow. There's something, a combination with the lovers, no? And there's a business venture. See, talagang malaking factor ang iyong business. Opportunity and career and new business ideas. There's a lot of opportunity coming in for you. Na pagdating sa inyong dalawa. It's good. No, there's something combination. Ganon. There's something combinations. So, let's see what is the synchronicities. For synchronicities represent what? A trust. No, kailangan mo magtiwala. There's a trust. And this is something night vision. See? Mas malawak na ano to, no? Na imagination or either something imagination and of course knowledge, no? Mas parang bibigyan ka ng instinct dito rather, no? And because this is something healing. Oh my God! May healing talaga, ha? Oh my goodness. There's something healing from the past. And of course healing from your health, finances, and career, no? In all aspects rather. Additional messages for romance angels. And of course, this is something, divine timing. Wow! Ito na nakalaan na talaga, no? Parang pagtagpuin kayo ng tadhana. No? Nakatadhana talaga kayo magtagpo. And this is something hurting, no? May mga bagay na nasaktan kayo, nabigo, no? In other side. And this is something between the lines. So, meron pa ditong nakatago, no? Kailangan yung makilala pa yung isa't isa. Oy! Sabi? So, let's see what is our Archangel Michael messages. Oh, let go of your fear now. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo daw, ha? And focus upon divine perfect health. So, kailangan mo mag-focus pagdating sa health issues mo. Ibig sabihin, mas kumain ka na masusustansya, iwasan mo na yung mga unhealthy foods, ganon. For the chakra messages. Oh my goodness, I told you so. May insecure talaga sa may inggitera. No? And there's an abundance. Kasaganahan dito, and there's a completion. Huwag mo hayaang mahuli ang lahat, ha? No? Mag-ingat ka. This is something insecurity. Mag-ingat ka sa mga insecure. May inggit sa'yo. And this is something guilt. May galit pa. Insecurada na. Inggitera na nga. Nagagalit pa, charis. Ganon, no? May ganon talaga. And there's a vanity. Alisin mo yung luho, bisyo, ganon. Additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And there's a builder. Oh, wow, solid foundation. Mukhang pinatibay at pinakalakas ka dito ng ating angel spirit, ha? Kumbaga, unti-unti kang pinatibay at pinalakas ng mga karanasan mo. And this is something, a trouble. Oh, there's a trouble talaga, guys. Threefold clarification, there's a trouble talaga. Let's see what is the Monsology. Represent, what do you need to release? Ano yung kailangan mo pakawalan, alisin? No, yung negativities and toxicities, yun lamang, no? Kailangan mo alisin yun. Maraming mata sa paligid mo. Kailangan marunong kang dumedma at marunong ka dapat baliwalain yung mga taong, di ba? Sumusubok, sulsulan ka, siraan ka. And there's a new start is coming. So, magkakaroon ka na panibagong eksena talaga. Parating na talaga. For an angel's messages, given information pa. A recovery. Wow. Makaka-recover ka na for this 2025. Talagang recovery talaga, guys. Makaka-recover ka talaga. And there's a no. Marunong ka dapat humindi, ha? And this is something improving health. Even sa health mo, recover ka na for finances, love, and career, and there's an improving health. See? May something recovery talaga, guys. So, let's see what is Arcangel Rafael. And there is something stay positive. Napanatiliin positibo, sabi ng Arcangel Rafael. Kasi the more na nega ka, mas lalong bumababa yung immune system mo. Mas lalong ka na-stress, mas lalong hindi nagiging maganda ang kalusugan mo. Kaya kailangan positibo ka lagi, ha? For the energy, represent what? The sample path, discoveries, opportunities coming in for you. Cornucopia, kailangan mong ng fruit and vegetable dito, guys. And this is something that thinking man, no? If you were a man, overthinking ka, no, with your person. If you were a woman, no, kumaga may taong mahal na mahal ka, no? Ng tao to, titignan na parang you're like a diamond, no? There's something adjacent possibilities, no? Kumbaga may mga pintuan na magbubukas sa'yo, may mga bago opportunities, or may mga mag-close na opportunities dito, may mga bagay na matatapos, no? Kontrata, trabaho, ganon. And there's a religious factor, no? There's a spiritual path. Kung ibig sabihin lang lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa buhay mo, it's a spiritual journey. So let's see what is additional messages. Have faith, no? Kailangan having faith dapat dito, guys. And there's a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, guys. Emotional, physical, and mental. And this is something envy. Alisin mo, alam niyo, guys, double clarification with an envy, ha? There's something ego and pride. At the same time, drama, toxic. Kasi there's a lot of challenges coming in for you. But you need to accept, no? Na lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay bahagi ng mga proseso mo para tungo sa tagumpay, you know? And there is something renewal and awakening. No? Kumbaga minumulat kayo ng mga karanasan mo talaga at mga pinagdaanan din. Na para may mga bagay na mapagtatagpi mo na, kaya ko pala naranasan to, kaya pala ganon. No, iniwas ako sa gantong bagay, or may dumating na gantong opportunity, kaya pala, no, hindi ako dinala dun sa eksena na yon, no. Ibig sabihin, there is something blessed in disguise, no. And this is something choices, no. At may choice ka rin at the same time. Additional messages. Ngayon 2025 there's a lot of bulabog. No, marami kang mga bagay na matutuklasan ngayon 2025, no? At marami kang bagay na unti-unti ka na rin makaka-recover, no? Kuma in all aspects to, ha. At the same time, there's a something story ancestors, hidden secrets. So marami kang bagay na nakatago na malalaman mo. Ooh. For Jesus' loving quote said, no, your heavenly Father know that you have did all of this. No, alam daw ng ating Panginoon lahat daw ng mga bagay na hinihingi mo or yung mga bagay na kagustuhan mo ay alam niya na karapat-dapat para sa iyo, no? Pero may mga bagay na kagustuhan mo pero binabase ng ating Panginoon kung ito ay karapat-dapat bang ipagkaloob sa iyo. Pinag-iisipan niya, ibig sabihin ayaw niya mapahamak ka. So kung ano man yung mga bagay na kagustuhan mo, kung makakabuti ito, ibibigay niya sa iyo. For an angel's number, represent a clarity. So, unti-unti na magliliwanag. A great transformation is there. No, you are not victim of circumstances, rather you are a beneficiary of it. If there weren't cases, life would pretty dull. You will set yourself up for success into long run. If you are willing to adapt to this ship, everything is working out of the best at long last. You are not accomplishing what you set up to do. Everything will work out perfectly at the end. So, see, unti-unti mo maliliwanagan lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa isa kasalukuyan. At ngayon, 2025, ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para kumbaga, gumapang na or mangyari na, no, yung mga bagay na inaasam mo. At unti-unti ka na maliliwanagan. Kaya may mga bagay dito na inilalayo sa'yo. See, there's something protection, no? Diba? There's something a change, double clarification with a change. Ibig sabihin, may mga bigla ang pagbabago na hindi mo inaadyang mangyari. No? Get ready for the good things you've been hoping for. You were born for a higher calling. Put your energy into going towards your ambition, and the universe will align itself to provide you with the right people, circumstances, and resources to make things happen. So, see talagang, diba, kung ano naman yung mga bagay na mangyayari sa'yo, ay may kaakibat yan na magandang bagay na makakabuti ba sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na ibinibigay sa'yo na parte yon na magiging kinabukasan mo. Kaya kung may mga bagay na inaalis sa'yo o mga taong inaalis sa buhay mo, magpasalamat ka. Kasi nasa sa'yo ang mata ng ating Panginoon, nasa sa'yo ang mata ng ating mga gabay para matutunan mo yung mga leksyon at yung mga bagay na dapat mong matutunan at baon, no, patungo sa kinabukasan. So guys, this is Salubong Pasilip 2025 for the sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!